This is a basic piece of software that calculates the area of a circle. It can also be used to calculate the area of a rectangle. Now it works, there's nothing wrong with it, but we want to pretty it up. The first thing we're going to do is pretty it up with a series of tabs. So from the toolbox, I'm going to add a tab control. It's going to drag it in, going to make it bigger, but I'm not at this stage going to fill up the screen. As you can see, I have two tabs. If I click in the bottom right hand corner under the property section where it says collection, I get on these three little dots and I click on it. It then gives me the option to set up the tabs as I want them. So I can add a new tab, I can remove a tab, but at the moment I only want two. So I'm going to have one for a circle and one for a rectangle. Notice I haven't changed the name of the tab pages, I've just changed the text, which you can see in the background there. That's all that I need for this one, and I'm going to click OK. So I've got a rectangle and I've got a circle. I'm going to do the circle first, and I'm just going to drag across all the elements onto my tab. That's my circle area, and there's my label for the result. I'm going to do the same thing for the rectangle. This is going to need to be a little bit wider to accommodate everything. So I put width on the rectangle, I put to the box there, height, and the box, rectangle area, and the label. That works. I can switch between the rectangle and the circle, but it would be nicer if it filled all of the space. So back again to the properties, and underneath here I'm looking for the dock option. So under layout there is a dock, it's currently set at none. I'm going to click on the middle bit and it fills the entire area. So when I run my program, I've got a rectangle area, so I can go 3, 4, calculate that, or I can do a circle like that. And it just makes the whole thing a little bit neater, especially if I had more than two objects.